In front of me is Motorola Moto G86, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Now tap on Connected Devices and choose Connection Preferences. Then select Printing over here and tap on Default Print Service or download any other service you wish to use. Either way, after clicking on it, make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. If you still can't connect for some reason, click on those three dots at the top right corner, hit Add Printer, and if your printer has Wi-Fi direct pairing, click on gray switcher right next to it. Then hit Allow in the pop-up if you never used this option before, and tap on Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers for your device to look for yours. You can also choose Add Printer by IP address, input it here, and select Add to connect. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!